back to Zion.
Now dance your way back to Zion.
I put it down for your love.